right, we have with us Ms. Shivani Kashyap. She needs no introduction, Bollywood icon when it comes to playback, a music artist in the true sense, and a fitness enthusiast,
Totally.
a wellness enthusiast.
Totally,
First of
totally.
all, we are at the Wellness Forum. What is your mantra? How do you see wellness overall? How do you implement in your daily life?
So I think wellness is not just physical, it's emotional, it's mental, it's holistic, it's spiritual. And I think wellness without passion is incomplete. So anybody who's, practicing to be a wellness enthusiast or a, person who wants to be fit and well must have passion. Passion for anything. It could be any form of art, it could be anything, it could be some simple thing like stamp collection.
Right.
But if you have passion, it really stokes the fire within you to go ahead and do things and achieve things. And when you have a goal in your life, and you have goals in your life set, you want to look good, you want to feel good, you want to feel happy, you want to be well, you want to be fit, and you want to be successful. So all these things are intertwined, I feel.
Right. So you're saying the core is that you should have a mission, a direction, and that's when it will all fit in. That's what you're trying to say, right?
Yes, absolutely. Because when you wake up in the morning, you know, okay, I have things to do. I have this to achieve. I have, you set a goal and a target for yourself. Imagine you wake up in the morning, you say, I don't know what will I do today. That is,
Right.
that is just, that leads to a very,
Right.
it's that's not the way to be. You've been given and blessed with a life
Right.
by God, and you must use it to the fullest, live it to the fullest.
Right. You were inside and you saw the kind of people that are there. What do you think of this forum which Business World has put together?
I'm so delighted to be a part of it, and I'm so delighted that something like this has become like the talk of the town, the talk of everyone here. It's become a conclave where people are actually thinking. People who were not even thinking about aspects of wellness, now they're
Right.
thinking, they're discussing, they're shedding light. People are there are so many things that I got to learn from people today. So many things that the negative emotions stored inside us is what leads to our, maybe our foot ache, knee ache, back pain. Our back pain may be not related to my bone.
Exactly.
It might be related to a
Emotional.
negative emotion which is trapped inside me.
Right.
So cleansing is very important. That's my take back today. Cleansing and being free of all the negativity is very important, so that you can just accept and embrace all that positivity and amazing things of life.
Right. And without, I mean, letting you go without even singing a line won't be complete, of course.
Absolutely.
So I want you one line, couple of lines from you.
Which
for
one would you like to request? A
any
song?
any of you, anything of your choice.
Okay. So, okay, first I think let's praise the Lord. Or मैं ना I want to sing a few lines of Ram Aayenge,
Sure.
which I had recreated recently for the Pran Pratishtha
Sure.
in Ayodhya, and then I will sing one of my most famous songs, Ho Gayi Hai
Absolutely.
Mohabbat. Yeah.
Absolutely.
राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे तो अंगना सजाऊंगी, मेरी झोपड़ी के भाग आज खुल जाएंगे, राम आएंगे, राम आएंगे आएंगे राम आएंगे, हे राम हे राम. So yes, this is something
Wonderful.
when we sing
Wonderful.
divine things, I feel the universe sort of blesses us. And now a song for,
From your popular collection.
yes, absolutely. हो गई है मोहब्बत तुमसे, हो आए पलकों में ख्वाब बन के, रह गए सर आंखों पर, बड़े हैं एहसान तुम पे, दिल में किया जो बसर, वो मिल गई है अमानत तुमसे.
Wow. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much. Thanks
Thanks,
for joining
thanks,
us. Yeah.